Yo, what is up, guys? It's Archon here, and today I'm going to be going over all the mods I have today. But today, specifically, we're going to be going over the cape mod I have on my back. As you can see, it's actually a creeper, a golden creeper kind of thing. And I will be going over the wings and the subscribe to in rainbow part in another episode. But today, we're going to be focusing on the cape right here, and I guess let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you have LabbyMod. Now LabbyMod is actually not just for Windows, which a lot of clients actually only support Windows, but this supports Mac too, and I haven't seen any really big channels make anything that's reliable for Mac downloads. So as a small channel, I think I'll just go over it. So you'd have to go to labbymod.net/download. Again, the link will be in the description just in case. And you would need to get the LabbyMod installer right here. And if you guys don't already have Java, you can click on this link right below it, and it will actually take you somewhere to actually get the official Java, which will install LabbyMod, and that's what you actually need for this. Now, after you actually get LabbyMod and you set it up and you make sure you have it in your Minecraft launcher and everything, you're going to go to this link, which I will also have in the description. Now, if you're not using LabbyMod 1.8.9, number one, I have no idea what you're doing with your life. You should be on 1.8.9. Secondly, if you actually just go back to the home and press download right here, or you can just press download right here, and it'll give you a choice to pick LabbyMod 1.12 or 1.8. I would highly recommend you pick 1.89 because it's just a way better version of the game, and 1.8.9 is probably the most popular actual installment that servers plan. Like, I know Hypixel supports it, and I know Mineplex supports it, and all the servers that I play on that I've ever played on have always supported this. So you would want to go here, and then you want to press download, and then you get the download right around here, and that's the second step into getting capes on your Minecraft skin. Capes for LabbyMod. You can just press this yellow minus arrow here, and what you want to do is make sure in the top left corner, it says Finder. And what you're going to hit is Command, Shift, and G at the same time. Now, after you've done that, you want to make sure you have this prompt right here. It's on the screen right now. You can just copy that down right now. You can pause the video. Make sure you have that, and then you want to press Go. Now, after you press Go, it'll take you over here. I can actually align it like this. And if you scroll down, you should see a folder. If you have Forge, you should have a folder named mods. One common mistake that I made when I was first doing this is I downloaded LabbyMod, just LabbyMod. You need to make sure you download LabbyMod, and it should say with Forge, and you'll get this mods folder. If you click the mods folder, you can see this is all the mods that I have right now. So this is the Minecraft Capes mod that we were looking at just now, and all you have to do is get it, drag it, and drop it into this folder. All you have to do is that, and then all you have to do is exit out, and there you go. You successfully installed LabbyMod Minecraft Cape mod onto your Minecraft launcher. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you all in the next one.